when New Zealand researchers drilled deep into a seismic failure, it ran into a discovery that could provide an important new source of energy for the South Pacific nation. Scientists discovered that water in the Alpine fault was much warmer than expected, and could potentially be harnessed to generate electricity or provide direct heating in industries such as the dairy industry. The finding was surprising because geothermal energy is usually associated with volcanic activity, but there are no volcanoes where drilled scientists. Because the fault of the Alps stretches for hundreds of miles along the spine as a southern island of the country, the energy source could be huge. Sutherland, who intended the study near the popular tourist destination of Franz Josef Glacier, was collecting rock cores and installing surveillance equipment instead of water temperature gauge, but researchers are enthusiastic about their unexpected findings. Economically, that could be very important for New Zealand. First, previous earthquakes have moved the hot rocks that flow out of the interior into the earth in the mountains along the fault line. Secondly, the quake has broken the rocks, allowing rainwater and melted snow to quickly seep through the inner heat of the mountains, where the heat is concentrated below the valleys. Sutherland found water at fault reaches 100 degrees Celsius (212 degrees Fahrenheit) at a depth of 630 meters at 2,100 feet. Water usually gets warmer with depth, but under normal conditions does not reach that temperature until about 2 miles underground. The 100 Celsius will spot the surface of the earth boiling, although the water does not boil underground as it is still under pressure, just like the liquid inside a pressure cooker.